Now, moving on to the next session, that is by Mr. Syed Ghulam, the Senior Regional Manager, My Class Board. Can we have a huge round of applause to My Class Board?
Thank you, everyone. Hope everyone is able to hear me. Please, if not, anyone can raise their hand so that I can come down to them and ask them. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. I'm sorry if my Kannada is little weak. Excuse me this time. Next time I'll prepare well and come down. Thank you. Yeah. My name is Syed Ghulam Murtuza and I represent My Class Board company. To give a small introduction about our company, we are 16 years old company. One second. Please, please. Excuse, sir. Thank you. To give a small introduction about our company, we started our journey 16 years ago and we are continuing our legacy since 16 years. 3,200 institutions across Pan India, and we do have the presence in 9 other countries. And most of the institutes are the schools and the PU colleges where we have a strong domain, and we have slowly moved into higher education where we can cater our services. Currently, we do have 280 manpower and we are still counting, and not only that, in Karnataka alone, we are working with more than 350 organizations. You name the premium organization into school and colleges, we have our presence over there. So we just wanted to, enhance our product to the higher education segment. And our motto is majorly into support and service. We are not going to just sell the product. We are going to emphasize on the post sales, that is the support throughout the year and the services. We have the roadmap for another 2 years where we wanted to accommodate new features to all our clients. I think this table is still having some negotiation and discussions are going on. Sir, shall I continue? Thank you. So we just wanted to emphasize on the post-sale services where we provide you the dedicated support manager to all the institutes individually, and not only that, if the account manager is busy, then we'll also provide the relationship manager where you can reach out to them and resolve your problem. And not only that, we are the first people to introduce AI into our product, and we are the only ISO certified organization in terms of edutech so far. Yeah, thank you so much. And can we have some? Yes. Basically, I wanted to divide ERP into 4 segments. The one is the admissions, then administration, academics, and the manpower, that we call it as a HR. So you can see here the ERP, LMS, and add-ons. Based on the requirement, we have provided the solutions. You can also see here mobile app safety and security based on the curriculum, whether it could be BTech college or else a management school, or else you can say the graduate, that is BCom, BA, anything. We have the solution for them based on the curriculum. You can customize them, which are already inbuilt in our product. Then we have the software integrations. Yes, when we are talking about finance, we have an integration with the Tally because most of the auditors ask them to have an integration. They wanted to have a same kind of an user interface. So we provide even that also. Apart from that, if there is any hardware integration like biometric you wanted BTS, GPS integration to be happening, we can also provide those things. And apart from that, if you see here, the ERP, the admissions. Admissions, we talk about pre-admissions, which are most important factor for any organization. Because we have more number of admissions, then we can have the more fund fill, and we can provide a better quality of an education to all the students. That's what we feel. So we have catered all this into our single platform. Pre-admissions, admissions, whether it could be student communication, any communication you wanted to have it, you can have it. Yeah. Pawan? Just get into the admissions? Here you can see. This is our pre-admission module where it is catering your services on monthly deck. How many total number of active inquiries, how many you have got it, and applications converted, admissions. Then you can also see region-wise, branch-wise. Then we have a month-wise analysis, class-wise analysis. Then you have the projections. Based on your admissions, you can have the finance projections also. And apart from that, if you wanted date-wise analysis, you can have it. Sometimes it so happens that marketing budget is, something which makes you worry. So you can even plan your marketing campaign based on the inquiries where you are going to receive more. Okay, convert them into an application, convert them into an admission is our motto. So we have a better CRM tool where you don't have to keep the reminders also, automatically it gives you reminders every time. Yeah. Apart from that, if you see, then we have a strong communication tool. We have different modes of communication, where what we call it as, whether it could be SMS, email, or click to call, or else you can say WhatsApp, or else you wanted to have a notification. We do have those kind of an, communication mode. And then when we are talking about payment gateway integrations, yes, we are very much happy to inform you that we are comfortable with more than 30 payment gateway integrations so far, which is a prime and the major backbone of any organization. And sorry, sir, you have any query to be asked? Oh, thank you. Yeah. So that's how we have shown you. And when it is coming to the finance module, we have segregated them into two parts. One part we call it as the finance module, the other part is expense management. Finance is all that is coming into your organization, and expenses that goes in terms of, running an organization or a branch as a petty cash or else vendor payments and all that, we call it as an expense. So all that coming is in as, we call it as finance, and what we make the payment is called as an expense. So we have categorized, distinguished in that way. So apart from that, if you see, these are the different modes of communication to the student or the parent. You can see SMS, WhatsApp, email, voice call, announcement, class diary, real-time notifications, student wall, calendar, and photo gallery is also available. So you don't have to, if I wanted to, as a student, I wanted to have a word with one of my class lecturer. So I don't have to use his personal number or else ping on his WhatsApp. Within the app, we can share the discussion. We can even pool the number of students, and a discussion forum can be opened, and we can have a discussion and a healthy discussion. And if a professor wanted to share any attachment within the app, that is also possible in our product. And you can see library, hostel management, just little down, yeah, hostel management. And this is most of the organization, what they require is hostel along with the canteen. Yes, we have, and as a student, even they can deposit the wallet deposition into our product. Okay, thank you. Pawan, yeah. If any parents or the students are raising any grievances, yes, we have the grievances, parents, and as well as within the staff also, they can bring it to the notice of the management and inter-office, or, something related to the indent. As a professor, I wanted to indent a tab or a mobile or else, laptop. I can raise that indent, and the concerned team can look into it and they can deliver it. So that level of indent feature is also available into our product. Yes, of course, we are looking at the certificates. That is most important one, where you wanted to give them the bona fide certificate or a TC, or else you can also issue an appreciation certificate to any of your beloved students who have made or achieved any outside programs they have participated, and they wanted to appreciation certificate, we can issue them. Those designing levels are also available in our product. And coming to the HR, yeah, yes. Yeah, Pawan will complete first with the LMS. Yeah, here you can see LMS. Most of you are discussing now on the program called as program outcomes or else course-based outcomes, which plays a major role for each and every organization. Because the professor job is to meet the course outcomes. That is most important factor. Yes, based on your requirement, we have prepared the platform ready to use where you can look into it. Pawan, can we have that other slide? Yeah, not this one. I'll take not then 2 minutes to show this one. So you can have a look at it. If anything you have doubt, you can ask me on this. So this is the made it easy and convenient for all the colleges and all the universities to use our platform. This one we have made it very simplified one. The last part is, yes sir, please sir. Sir. Yes sir. Attainment report available sir. Thank you, one question has been asked. Yeah. So these are the mobile apps where you can get for the student and the parent, then your alumni. We have the app for the staff also. For the entire staff, we are providing an app. So you don't have to depend on their personal numbers or anything. If you wanted to schedule any meetings within the group or within the professor to HODs, you can do it. Okay. Then the final segment we would like to see the HR. Yes. HR payroll subscription, what we call it as, you can invite the applications or you can post the vacancies on your website and invite the applications. While inviting the application or uploading the application, they can even upload along with the credential, not only the CV, they can even upload their academic and experience certificates, and you can conduct the online exam for them and evaluate them. Once the evaluation has been done, then you can roll out the offer letter and the appointment letter online itself, and you can invite them to complete the formalities. So that level HR has been done. If there is any salary generation need to be happen, that also is available. And not only that, we do have an payroll based on the TDS and professional tax deduction, or if any advances are been taken and you wanted to generate the payroll based on that one, you can do that. With respect to HR, any doubts, we are open to address them. Thank you so much. I hope I have delivered a wonderful one. Thank you so much for all your cooperation. And we look forward, if any inquiries are there, we are at the stall just behind you. You can make a visit and drop your card. We'll get back to you.